Hello and welcome to a new video on JS. As first I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. It's already the third time on my channel that I can say that to you. So a very nice time. And no, it's not about love life, as you can see on the sleeve. It's just there are some cards. But to them I want to come after the unboxing. Then it's a Weiss Schwarz opening of a very old set. It's about Toaru Kagaku no Railgun, my very favorite anime. And there's also some cards to the original series of Railgun to Index. But as you may know, I'm a really big fan of Railgun, but I really don't like Index. So half of the cards in this set, I don't want to say much about it. Oh, and this nice golden card here. I had two boxes, but I don't want to show both of them to you. So I opened already one, and this was the price. So, and then the cards in the sleeves are from the 5 boxes that I opened before. It's a long time ago since I opened them. So, but as I said, to these cards at the end. There are all the foil cards, so only one foil card per box. Not like Y-Cross where you can get like 6 or 7 foil cards. Only one per box. The hard, good old times. So the goal, or better said, my wish for Christmas would really be a SP. And the best thing would be if I could get a SP of my very favorite character, Mikoto Misaka. Or, yeah, I can't say a second because I don't know which characters have an SP card. So, this is the index side. And here we have the Railgun side. So Railgun are the green and red cards. Then also some characters from the Railgun series are on the yellow cards. And blue cards are only index. So a blue foil card would be really bad. So this is the index title in Japanese, and this is the Railgun title with my favorite character Mikoto. So then in the whole set are 4 different SP cards available, and I really want one of them. Then 4 different triple Rs and 8 different SR cards. Also 8 different double rares, 20 different rare cards, 28 uncommons, then 32 common cards and 12 climax cards. So then I will cut all of the packs, and as usual I don't look inside. So all the packs are cut off, then with the lovely Reimu background. First pack. So then this is a yellow card, so it's between Railgun and Index, and it's this young Mikoto, and I don't know what's up with her. but maybe later on in the Railgun I will hear what it is. The blue card. Sorry. Then as next it's Kuroko, a very funny character. Then we have this professor. Then this old guy that saved the clones from Mikoto. Then again Kuroko. And as first, a rare card from the blue side. And also a blue climax card. So then you have this police girl. The nice card of Mikoto. Then again Mikoto. This time as a red card with one of her coins in the hand. Then this was from the first season. Okay, I have to say the cards here are all from the first season of Railgun. Then Mikoto attacking Toma in her shorts. Oh, and already in the second pack the SR card. And it's a sister, one of Mikoto's clones. I think this is a nice card to have. Not bad at all, but I would prefer the SP card. Very lovely Mikoto, and on the side here you can see Kuroko. Then here we have Riko Saten, also one of my favorite characters. Again Saten. Then here we have the Acerator, a character that I really don't like. And then the first Wihado card. And this Toma guy. So, but there will be still 4 double rares left. I don't remember her name. And this is this index girl. And a very happy Kuroko jumping on Mikoto. Then a rare card of this little Mikoto. And a climax card with Mikoto on it in a very nice pose. Then a hungry index. And then Mikoto with Thunderbolt. Very cool. And this was one of these girls in the swimming club. Uiharu. So looks like their index got shoot. Then Mikoto saved the back of a little girl. I remember this scene. It's a rare card. And then a climax card with little Mikoto and a sister. Then Kuroko. Kuroko is baking chocolate. Then this girl that I don't know. Again Mikoto. Again with a coin. And then Ruiko Saten on the phone. In every deck or set that contains Ruiko Saten, she's on one card at the phone. Or I should say on a climax card with a phone in every Weiss Schwarz set. Then a sister. Then here we have the first card of me. Again this accelerator guy. And Toma. So already much doubles. That's a fun card. Kuroko wants to lick from Mikoto's eyes. The next rare card, very lovely, with Uiharu and Saten. And then Accelerator on a climax card. And then as next rare, one of Kuroko. And a nice climax card with Mikoto on it. Then the other girl from the swimming club. Then Mikoto wants to save her food from Kuroko. Also a funny card. So looks like Mikoto is cleaning the swimming pool. So then the first double rare. It's Accelerator. So I don't know if I get a double rare from every color. It's a long time ago since I opened the Weiss Schwarz boosters. And then I thought today on Christmas it would be very nice to open up a Weiss Schwarz booster. But then this very awesome card of Mikoto. Oh, this is a new one. I think it's one of these machines, vending machine I think, where you can buy drinks and they are defect and Mikoto helps her with a hit on the machine. And Kuroko is very shocked. A very funny picture. That's very illegal. A little girl driving a car. Then I think it's the first time it's Congo. A rich bitch. Then Uiharu as my next rare card. Very cute. She's a very lovely character. And Kuroko with her needles ready to attack. Then again me. So then a new uncommon card, Kuroko. No, sorry, it's Ryuko Saten and Uiharu. And then as the next rare, it's the Professor. Oh, that's awesome. That's really a double rare that I like. Mikoto is ready to shoot her railgun. When I think this card as SP. Okay, I don't even know if this card is available as SP, but if it could be, it would be so awesome this card to have as SP. I think definitely my favorite artwork in this set here. But I don't know if I can call this as artwork because these are just screenshots out of the anime. Oh, and again Mikoto, this time as a rare card. So Index is hungry. The sisters. Then Ryuko Saten. And then this girl here as a rare card. So I still miss two double rares. I would say a green one and the blue one. So I think as the green one is a very high chance to get Uiharu or Saten. They are mostly on the green cards. But this time it's a rare card of Toma. And on the blue side, I think you mostly would get Index. As double rare. And then a rare card of me in her swimsuit. So just 2 packs left, so I should get in every one of these packs a double rare, or otherwise I missed one. Okay, I missed one. It's the rare card of Kuroko and Mikoto. Or do I get only 2 double rares? I really don't know. As I said, it's a long time ago since I opened up Weiss Schwarz packs. So if, okay, I got the green double rare card. As I told, it's Uiharu or Saten. This time it's Uiharu. A very lovely card. So I would say there has to be 4 double rares. So I want to check shortly my rares again. Then I should miss my 4th double rare. looks like at the very beginning. No. So I'm really sorry. Then the 4th double rare must be here in this staple. Oh, what a lucky hit. So it's again a green double rare, and it's of Uiharu. So 2 times Uiharu. So then as my foil card, it's a SR, and it's of a sister. Sorry. I really hope I didn't get this card already, but we will see soon. So then the double rares, 2 times Uiharu, and this here is really the better one. Then very awesome, the double rare of Mikoto. Best card in this set, I would say. And Accelerator. So, then to my foils from the older packs I opened. I will also tell you which of these I got today in the order box. So, starting off with a triple R from my least favorite character, Accelerator. Then again a triple R with Uiharu on it. A very lovely card. So I don't know if this card is to a double rare, no. It's to a rare card. A rare got to a triple rare. Then as next the SR card of Ryoko Saten. Drinking tea. Oh, that was a mistake. I took just a normal double rare card out. Sorry for that. And then the card that I pulled today. It's an SR card of the blue side. And this is the today's card. So again, I want to wish you, all of you, a very nice Christmas. Have a nice day. And I see you again next week with my video to the new year. So thank you for watching and see you next time.